Obviously, it is not sponsored. Product, thing. To make sure you get results immediately. Hey team, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Hayden. Today we have a skincare related device, product, thing. And this was part of my KOGAN review video that I did a couple videos ago, and I will link it somewhere for you to view. Speaking of, if you did watch that video, the third item has arrived, which means we will be reviewing that as well. What we are looking at today is the facial toning device from KOGAN. This cost me 40 Australian dollars, and I will do the insert of the top 3 countries' currencies that are in my top 3 viewership. I found this intriguing. Mostly because on the little synopsis blurb thing as part of its profile, it says that you'll get results in minutes, which is a pretty tall claim. And that's my whole thing. I like to, if I find a product that says you will see visible, instant, in minutes kind of results, I'm like, I'm up for that challenge. And I am ready to bust some myths, or hopefully be proven wrong. What it says on the very back of the box, the facial toning device is the leader of innovative anti-aging devices that deliver visible results for beautiful skin. The Mini, I think that's what it's called, the Mini. The Mini delivers unparalleled results in an easy to use starter kit and convenient size that's perfect for travel. Developed with the same soft wave microcurrent technology as the leading facial toning device, this device will gently stimulate your skin to improve your appearance. I mean, who doesn't want that? Why the microcurrent? As we age, our body's natural current begins to slow down, like our metabolism, leading to sagging skin, loss of contour, and wrinkles. Microcurrent mimics the natural current and goes beyond skin deep to tone facial muscles while improving contour, skin tone, and reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. It says in the disclaimer, results may vary based on skin type and condition. Optimal results are achieved with regular use. So the intended use, the Mini device is intended for facial stimulation and is indicated for over-the-counter cosmetic use. Now, what you actually got in the box, I did actually go through that in the KOGAN video, and I will take an insert of that and put it in now. It has very nice packaging, very sturdy cardboard. It does look legit. It comes with a cleaning cloth, the user manual, and then inside is a power cord with my finger on it and then the device. And it's got this protective foam around it. It does have a plasticky vibe to it, but it's metal on top and it is quite weighty. See, the real truth comes out when you read the instruction manual. Speaking of the manual, let's have a little deeper look into what's going on inside this manual. It says right on the very first page, this part here, taboo. Pregnant women, minors under 18 do not use. Please do not use for patients with heart disease or diabetes, or for people with a pacemaker, internal defibrillator, nerve stimulator, insulin pump, and or any other electrical instruments. Do not use metal implants such as gold wire within the scope of use. Do not use if you have cancer, suspected cancer, or precancerous lesions, especially skin precancerous lesions. Then it's got a maintenance and service information where it just talks about you need to turn it off before you clean the device. It does have electrocurrent, so let's not put some water on it. We've got the product brief. Congratulations on receiving the microcurrent beauty instrument. To make sure you get results immediately, read the entire user manual. This beauty instrument is a small portable microcurrent facial care device, which is used for facial feeling. I don't know what that means. Situation improvement. The instrument will gently stimulate the large surface area of the face and provide 5 minutes of face lifting service. So it's going to lift up my face, apparently. Improve your appearance. The device transmits low order microcurrent pulses to the chin, cheekbones, and forehead. Double sphere design can be used to make the best contact with the face of various shapes and sizes which allows the users to adjust the output level of the microcurrent to achieve personalized comfort, no more than twice a day. Now, I will actually use the device, but it did tell me I need to go through the entire manual. I won't go through all of it. It says matters needing attention, and I'll actually insert a little picture of that rather than go over it. Component description: power on and off, strength control up and down is the same button. Double beeps when moving to a new position. When the device is on low power, 2 series of beeps indicate that the battery needs to be charged. Alright, so there's actually not that many pages to go through because the rest is in Chinese. Please gradually press on the on-off button to increase or decrease the microcurrent output and adjust the intensity level. When you switch between 3 intensity levels, the instrument will beep and the number of blue lights will change. So you've got a minimum, a medium, and a maximum output. Contact the instrument directly with the area to be cared. Keep both spheres on your face at the same time. Microcurrent beauty instrument will not contract muscles. When used correctly, the current is gentle, very soothing, and gentle. Okay, it's gentle. Please do not dry gel or use emulsion during the nursing process. Interesting use of words. After finishing nursing, wipe the gel or lotion with damp cloth. I don't understand why it's nursing. It literally says nursing area, and it's got the cheekbones and then above the eyebrow. This is the device. I have been charging it and I believe it's ready to roll. It does have a bit of weight to it though. Like I said in the KOGAN video, it does feel a little plasticky. These 2 bits, the spheres, however, are metal, which you would assume would be if it's going to conduct electricity. So turning it on, it's got a single button on there that does everything. It turns it on and off and it adjusts the level. So that's currently on minimum, medium, and maximum. We're going to try the minimum first, just to see what it's like. It says to go from here up. Before we dive into it, let's do the standard before and after. So we'll see my nasal labial fold. We'll see if this lifts it or does anything. All right, spin the cap around to lift upwards. That does not feel like it's doing anything. It's making my skin red from the fold, following the cheekbone up and around. All right, I feel like we need to amp it up a little bit. I literally don't feel anything happening. It just feels cold because of the metal. I hear it though, when you press on it, that buzzing sound. I mean, it's made my skin red, but that's just from rubbing it. We're gonna try the highest setting. Maybe I'm not doing it right. Actually, see, in certain areas, you feel a little bit of a sting, I guess. But I don't feel any kind of a current going through. Okay, I've been at it for some time. We'll come on in. My skin is a little red from where it was rubbing, but I feel like it looks the same. It said you'll see immediate results in minutes. It's been minutes, and I don't see any noticeable difference. Unless you do, you're gonna have to let me know. I didn't feel any microcurrents happening in the face. There was that one time where I could feel a little bit of a stinging sensation, which is what you would normally find with a device that's got a microcurrent running through it. If anything, it was making more noise than it was, in my opinion, doing anything for my face or skin. Look, I'll keep using it and we'll see if over time, over maybe a week's time, if there's any noticeable difference. But at this point in time, I'm gonna say it's a bust. Now, I will link everything down below if you want to check it out for yourself. I may be premature in my assumptions, but this is purely based on my initial experience using the product. Obviously, it is not sponsored. Thanks for watching, team. Make sure you do all the fun stuff, but most importantly, stay tuned.